Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The nets are falling on battlefield. What happened to that child who walked on his knees? The one who falls is the one who walks. My honorable listeners, life is a journey, and this journey is only for those who take step forward. Those who remain seated neither lose nor win, because they never move at all. But those who walk, they do fall at some point. And this falling, in fact, is the greatest sign of progress, because the one who falls is the one who walks, and the one who falls is the one who learns. This is true in every area of life, whether it's education, business, relationship, or the journey of self-discovery. If you have never experienced falling, it means you have never taken a step forward. When you fall, the people laugh at you, point fingers, but remember, their laughter is temporary, but your effort is eternal. Even your failure teach you. They clear the path of success and make you stronger from within. Every time you rise after falling, this is true success. The true strength does not lie in never falling. The true strength lies in rising again and again after every fall, dusting yourself off and walking again towards your goal. Because the one who gives up loses the journey, but the one who rises after falling reaches the destinations. Conclusion: never think of falling as weakness. Do not fear falling. Instead, promise yourself that next time you will rise even better. The word suits those who do not give up even after falling. No matter how many times you fall, keep getting back up, because you are someone who's walking. And the one who keeps walking is the one who eventually succeeds. Have you ever felt like you are falling? Like no matter how hard you try, you keep falling. Let me tell you something powerful today. The one who falls is the one who walks. Yes. Only those who dare to move forward, to chase their dreams, to take risks, only they fall. Because sitting still is easy, doing nothing is safe, but growth happens when you move, and sometimes that means falling. Falling does not mean you are weak. The falling means you are brave. It means you are trying. It means you are alive. It means you are chasing something bigger than your fear. So don't let the fall define you. Let the rise define you. Stand up, dust yourself off. Take another step. Every champion was once a contender. who refuse to give up after the fall. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep walking, because success is not found in near falling. It is found in always rising. So the next time you fall, smile, because that fall means you are still walking. And those who run, they fly. Keep moving. Your story is not over yet.